Hello, everyone. Today we learn about conditional sentences, also called if clauses. These sentences talk about possibilities, facts, and imaginary situations. There are 4 types: type 0, type 1, type 2, and type 3. Let's learn them one by one. First, what is a conditional sentence? It has 2 parts. The if clause gives the condition, the main clause gives the result. For example, if it rains, I will stay home. If it rains is the condition. I will stay home is the result. You can also change the order. I will stay home if it rains has the same meaning. When the if clause comes first, use a comma. When the main clause comes first, no comma is needed. Type 0 is for general truths and scientific facts, things that are always true. The formula is if plus present simple, then present simple. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. This is always true. If it rains, the ground gets wet. Always true. If I am tired, I drink coffee. This is a personal habit, but it is always true for that person. Type 0 is very simple. Both clauses use present simple tense. Type 1 is for real possibilities in the future. The condition is possible. The result is a real prediction. The formula is if plus present simple, then will plus infinitive. For example, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay home. Rain is possible. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Passing is possible if you study. If she comes, I will be happy. Her coming is possible. Notice the if clause uses present simple, not future. Do not say if it will rain. Say if it rains. In type 1, you can also use other modal verbs instead of will. For example, can for ability or permission. If you finish early, you can go home. Might for possibility. If she calls, I might say yes. Should for advice. If it rains, we should bring an umbrella. These give different meanings, but the structure is the same. The if clause still uses present simple. Type 2 is for imaginary or unreal situations. The condition is not true now or is very unlikely. The formula is if plus past simple, then would plus infinitive. For example, if I had $1 million, I would buy a house. I do not have $1 million now. It is imaginary. If she knew the answer, she would tell us. She does not know the answer now. If I were you, I would study more. I am not you. This is advice. Notice with I, we often use were instead of was. If I were you is correct, not if I was you. There's a special rule for type 2. In formal and correct English, use were for all subjects. I, he, she, it. For example, if I were rich, if he were here, if she were taller, if it were possible. In everyday conversation, some people say if I was rich, but were is more correct, especially for writing and exams. Remember this rule. For imaginary situations, use were. Type 3 is for imaginary situations in the past. The condition did not happen. The results did not happen. We use type 3 to express regret or to imagine a different past. The formula is if plus past perfect, then would have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied, I would have passed the exam, but I did not study and I did not pass. If she had left earlier, she would have caught the train, but she did not leave earlier and she missed the train. If we had known, we would have helped, but we did not know and we did not help. Notice the time change. Type 1 is future real, type 2 is present unreal, type 3 is past unreal. Let's compare type 1, 2, and 3 using the same idea. Type 1, if it rains, I will stay home. Rain is possible in the future. Type 2, if it rained, I would stay home, but it is not raining now. This is imaginary. Type 3, if it had rained, I would have stayed home, but it did not rain in the past. This is past regret. The time changes. Type 1 is future real, type 2 is present unreal, type 3 is past unreal. Here is a summary table for all 4 types. Type 0 uses present simple in both clauses for facts. Type 1 uses present simple and will for future real possibilities. Type 2 uses past simple and would for unreal present situations or imaginary situations. Type 3 uses past perfect and would have for past unreal situations, things that did not happen. Save this table or take a screenshot. It will help you remember. Here are common mistakes. First, do not use will in the if clause for type 1. Say, if it rains, not if it will rain. Second, for type 2, do not use would in the if clause. Say, if I had money, not if I would have money. Third, for type 3, use past perfect in the if clause. Say, if I had known, not if I knew. The if clause never has would. Remember this rule. No would in the if clause. Let's practice. Number 1, if you heat water, it boils. Type 0, general truth. Number 2, if I see her, I will tell her. Type 1, future real. Number 3, if I were you, I would say sorry. Type 2, use were for advice. Number 4, if she had studied, she would have passed. Type 3, past unreal. How did you do? If you got them all correct, great job. If not, review the table. Final summary. Type 0 for facts, Type 1 for real future possibilities, Type 2 for unreal present situations, Type 3 for past unreal situations, things that did not happen. The most important rule, never put would in the if clause. Practice conditional sentences every day. They are very common in English. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more English videos. See you next time. Goodbye.